26 here, just do tips, repairs, and hobbies. And we've got the 395 motor tool here. The newer model is called the Model 200. And on each side of these, you have a cap, which you put a screwdriver in about that size. Okay, like that. And you want to turn counterclockwise, like so, till that springs out. And pull it out like that. And that's pretty good. That's in pretty good condition. So there's nothing wrong with that one right there. So let's stick that back in there. I thought maybe, it had a sound that it needed new brushes. And it does not need new brushes. So put that cap on there. Hold it with your thumb so it doesn't spring out on you. And turn it back in. Now there's one on one side and there's one on the other side. Right here. So let's open that one up. I usually change them in pairs, so this one should be okay too, but you never know. Oh, you don't want to pop it like that. This one is okay too. That's good. So we'll stick that back in there. And you can get brushes on Amazon. I'll put the link below for you. Having a little difficulty putting this brush back in. Okay, like that. Get the cap. The screwdriver. Turn it back in. Make sure this one's in. Okay, so those brushes are good. Now, if your brush was something like this, okay, see how it's about half of what the other one was? Show it to you really close. If it was down, like down towards the wire here, even half of what that is, you want to change it, okay? I would suggest, if you use your motor tool a lot, your Dremel tool, to check them periodically. You don't want to get down to that wire and then have it scratch up the armature inside, okay? It's a good little tool. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.